not the province one. Greetings. So we have members from Malaysia, South Africa, Bangladesh, Tanzania, India, Cameroon, Ghana, South Africa. Oh, I said South Africa, sorry. South Sudan, Lesotho, Kenya, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, the Solomon Islands, Burundi, Jamaica, Canada, Australia, Scotland, Pakistan, England, Aotearoa, New Zealand and Polynesia, Angola, Korea, Papua New Guinea, Japan, Wales, the Philippines, Trinidad and Tobago, Hong Kong, yeah, that's it.
Thank you. The great stars, are they here? Without visitors, what kind of a home?
Visitors, what kind of home? What kind of home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of home
without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of
home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of
home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of
home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of
home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visitors.
What kind of
home without visitors?
What kind of home?
Visit. What kind of home? We would like to thank you.
We would like to thank you, our Archbishop Albert Cham, for bringing visitors.
We would like to thank you.
We would like to thank you, our Archbishop Albert Cham, for bringing visitors.
Archbishop Albert Chama is welcoming you in the province of Central Africa. Greetings.
Hello, hello, hello.
All the bishops from the province, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
All the bishop spouses, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
From Zambia, Botswana, Malawi and Zimbabwe, Anglican Council of Zimbabwe is welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
The chairman, none other than Bishop Ignatius and Mrs. Makumbe, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
The point of entry of Anglican Church is Matabeleland.
Yes.
Archbishop Eric and Mrs. Rona, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
The home of our name, Zimbabwe, Maswengo.
Bishop Oswald and Mrs. Mabika, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
From the capital city, Sunshine, Harare.
Bishop Farai and Mrs. Mutamire, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello.
Matabeleland.
Halala, halala. Sikhona pha koBulawayo. Bontutu yathu.
Bishop Cleopas and Mrs. Lunga, they are welcoming you.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello to the Deputy General Secretary, Bishop Joe Bailey. Hello to all the bishops of the communion here present. Hello to Canon Coffee, Secretary General of CAPA. Hello to all the delegates, our brothers and sisters across the communion.
Oh, city.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, mama.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello, hello,
Hello, hello, mama.
hello, hello,
Brothers and sisters.
hello, hello,
Hello, mama.
hello, hello, hello.
I saw you, Canon Dr. Semi, advisor for the Anglican Commission Affairs.
We are welcoming you.
Oh, please feel at home.
We are welcoming you.
I also saw you, Mr. Black, the chairman of the Safe Church Commission.
We are welcoming you.
Oh, please feel at home.
We are welcoming you.
To you, all members of the Safe Church Commission,
We are welcoming you.
oh, please feel at home.
We are welcoming you.
Coming from Australia,
I saw you.
I saw you.
I saw you.
Coming from
I
Ghana,
saw you.
South Africa,
I saw you.
coming from Cameroon,
I saw you.
I saw you.
I saw you.
Coming from
I
Pakistan,
saw you.
Solomon's Island,
I saw you.
coming from Brazil,
I saw you.
oh, Jamaica,
I saw you.
coming from Angola, I saw you.
I saw you.
Coming from Burundi,
I
saw you. Jordan,
I saw you.
coming from Solomon Islands,
I
I saw you.
I
Oh, coming from Communion offices, I saw you.
I
Oh, coming from Zimbabwe, and everybody, I saw you.
Halala halala sikhona pha koBulawayo koTutuzi yathu
Brothers and sisters around the world, we are welcoming you in the name of our Lord. Peace be with you.
Welcome to Bulawayo. Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Bulawayo.
This is your beautiful,
Diocese of Matabeleland.
this is your beautiful home.
Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Feel free, feel free.
Diocese of Matabeleland.
This is your beautiful home.
Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
This is your beautiful home.
Bulawayo.
Listen to me.
Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Feel free.
Bulawayo.
This is your beautiful home. Oh, pleasant home.
Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Hi, mama.
Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland. Welcome to Bulawayo. Diocese of Matabeleland.
Feel free.
Bulawayo.
Hi, mama.
Diocese of Matabeleland. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Hi, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Feel free.
Bulawayo. Anglican Diocese of Matabeleland.
Otumu mamekona.
Wonke kulungile.
Mamekona bumama.
Wonke
Wonke ma. Wonke ma.
Wonke kulungile. Wonke kulungile. Wonke kulungile. Wonke kulungile. Wonke kulungile. Wonke kulungile. Mama.